Here's the cheapest sunscreen in the market, and I'm going to be telling you if it's worth buying or not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Dr. Rashel sunscreen. So if you're planning on buying this particular sunscreen, or you're looking for the cheapest sunscreen right there in the market, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because I'm going to be sharing with you my honest experience with this Dr. Rashel sunscreen, and I'm going to be telling you if it's worth buying or not. So let's dive right into it. So the name of the product I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today is called Dr. Rashel Anti-aging Moisture Sun Cream, and this is a sunscreen made in China. It comes in this white pack, and this is what the product actually looks like. So if you open up the pack, you're going to have this oval shaped plastic white container that contains the sunscreen. The packaging of this sunscreen is so sleek and comfortable. It has a secure and easy lid that you can easily twist and open up the bottle. So once you take off the lid, you're going to have this nozzle that you can easily dispense your sunscreen through. This is me dispensing the sunscreen. So you see, you can easily dispense your sunscreen from the nozzle by pressing the bottle. Now let's take a look at what the product inside looks like. So this is what the product inside looks like. It has a lightweight texture that seamlessly blends into the skin. It's a white colored sunscreen. So for the fragrance, I'm going to say that this is fragrance free. It actually has little to no fragrance in it. Now let's take a proper look at the ingredient list. What is this Dr. Rashel Anti-aging Moisture Sun Cream formulated with? According to the ingredients list, this Dr. Rashel sunscreen contains ingredients like aqua, ethyl hexyl palmitate, mineral oil, glycerin, propylene glycol, dimethicone, and the rest. So these are the ingredients in this particular sunscreen. Now let's take a proper look at what the brand claims are. What benefits is this particular sunscreen supposed to offer or provide for your skin? So according to what's written on the body here, it states that Dr. Rashel Anti-aging and Moisture Sun Cream with SPF 60++ is a powerful antioxidant complex to help protect skin from free radicals caused by UV rays while preserving its youthful look. Regular use every day can protect the skin from sun damage and keep the sun from getting premature aging, dark spots due to sunlight. Its lightweight formula can be absorbed quickly, is oil-free and non-comedogenic, and will not clog your pores. So if you come around this area, it also states that it prevents the appearance of dark spots, hydrates and antioxidants, visible finish, no white cast. So these are all the promises of this particular Dr. Rashel Anti-aging Moisture Sun Cream. So now with all of that out of the way, I'm going to be sharing my overall thoughts and experience with this particular Dr. Rashel sunscreen. I got this particular sunscreen some months back, but I couldn't use it properly until last month when I opened it up and decided to try it. And guys, I've used this sunscreen judiciously for a month plus or more than that, because I started using this on the 5th of last month, and I honestly like the packaging of this particular sunscreen. It has this simple, nice and comfortable packaging. To me, the white color screams clean and modern. It's more like complementing the notion of purity and sun protection. This is a very nice and awesome packaging, and the container of the sunscreen itself gives you that easy grip that you can easily hold. So it's much easy to hold and handle. I also love the feeling I get when applying this particular sunscreen. Like if you put this on your skin, it's going to feel so cooling, smooth. And I don't know if it's because it contains water as its first ingredient, but it's so hydrating on the skin. It's going to hydrate your skin and give you that cooling effect. So judging by the ingredient list, this is a really nice sunscreen. It's not going to clog your pores. It's true to its promises. It's going to prevent the appearance of dark spots on your skin, and it's going to protect your skin and give you maximum sun protection from the sun. So with this particular sunscreen, you're going to get rid of the aging signs on your skin and prevent both UVA and UVB rays. With this, you're not going to be battling with any aging signs on your skin or any form of sunburn. So for me, this is a very nice and affordable sunscreen that you can use. Like, it's actually very cheap. So for some reason, I don't really know why this particular sunscreen doesn't really blend well into my skin. Like, I'll have to apply this and wait a minute or two and blend it again. It's true it leaves no white cast on the skin, but I don't know if I'm the only one with the experience. I've honestly been trying to love this particular sunscreen. Like, it doesn't really blend well into my skin. Whenever I apply this particular sunscreen on my face, I'll just start sweating and I'll start noticing like a visible white stuff coming out with my sweat, and I'll just have to wipe it out. Like, this particular sunscreen makes me sweat. I don't know if I'm the only one. If you have experienced something like that, just let me know right in the comment section as well. But personally, for me, this have not really been blending in once and for all into my skin. Whenever I apply this, I'll have to wait like a minute or two and then massage my face all over again for it to get properly absorbed. Take a look at my hand. I applied this some minutes back, and this is what my hand looks like. They have a visible white stuff on it. Although the white cast is not that visible, cast, but if you look properly, you're going to be noticing that the brown lines on my hands are sort of whitish. So this is exactly what this does to my face. If I end up rubbing my hands together again, this is going to get absorbed. But if I do not do that, it's just going to sit like this on my skin. So I've actually been trying to love this particular sunscreen, but this have been my honest experience. It always makes me sweat, and it does leave a white film on my face after application that I'll have to go in to blend again before it's going to look seamless. So that's my own personal experience with this sunscreen. When I started having that experience with this particular sunscreen, what I did was to give this to my sister to try out, and she ended up trying it out, and it ended up blending in effortlessly into her skin. But for me personally, it totally blended in very easily into her skin, and she did not even experience the sweating aspect of it. So aside the fact that this makes me sweat and I need to go in a second time to blend it in before my face will look flawless, this particular sunscreen is a really nice sunscreen. It's so hydrating on the skin, and it has different antioxidants that will help to moisturize and glow your skin at the same time. So this is a really nice sunscreen, and I'm going to recommend you use this if you have a dry skin or normal skin. But if you're someone with an oily skin or a combination skin like mine, I wouldn't recommend you use this. So this is one of the cheapest and affordable sunscreen in the market. It sits well under makeup and it gives that dewy finish. So generally, this is a very nice sunscreen, and it's going to help protect your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. This is a sunscreen that you can use if you're on a budget. This is one of the cheapest sunscreen right now in the market. But funny enough, it doesn't work for me, so I'm not going to be repurchasing this. I don't really think I'm a fan. So I got this particular sunscreen at the price of 3,000 naira. So the price actually ranges from 2,500 to 3,500 naira depending on your location and where you're getting it from. So this is a very nice and affordable sunscreen that is going to protect your skin from the sun and not leave a white cast on your face. So if you can afford to get something better, you might go for that. Or if you can't afford to get any other sunscreen, then I recommend you get this. Yeah, that is it on the cheapest sunscreen in the market. Now, I believe I've answered your question on whether the Dr. Rashel sunscreen is worth buying or not. So my personal experience might actually be different from yours. So I would advise you give it a try and see how it works for you. So yeah, that is it on my review of Dr. Rashel sunscreen. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.